Hello, good morning to all. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Very good morning, very good morning, very good morning. Good morning, Joshua. Good
Good
night.
morning, sir.
What I will say. Good evening, Joshua. Good morning, Ezekiel.
Good morning, sir. It's morning for you.
Uh, Jahoan, good morning. Anushka, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Hannah, Anna, everyone, good morning. Turn on the camera, please. Okay. So we were doing what? Bu- 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 Let me check. Yeah. We were doing this thing, discount part, no? And yesterday we start the simple interest compound wala part, okay? So we learn about interest. There are two types of interest are there, okay? Simple interest and compound interest. Yes, we learned that thing. Huh? Now, for a revision, one more time I will tell you. We learn about principal, okay? We learn about principal. So principal is the money that let we borrow or we ask. Okay, that is the principal amount. Okay, and interest. And rate is the rate of interest. Like rate of interest is the interest in which like for example, yesterday I gave an example like Jahoan came to me for asking 1,000 rupees. I said I will give you at the rate of 10% interest. How much? 10% interest. So that percent thing is a rate of interest. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Huh? And I asked for like he asked me for 2 years time. So the time is given which is denoted by T. Yes or no? Hmm? So there are three things are there: principal, rate, and time. Okay, because by this we will get the interest. Now, yesterday I told you about there are two types of interest are there, and we will learn both interest. But now today we'll learn about simple interest. Which interest? Simple interest. Simple interest. Now, what is simple interest? Okay, we'll understand simple interest is like this. See, like simple interest is the interest which is the interest on the principal with the time. Okay, simply it will add it up. For example, we can understand it like this that the formula for simple interest is simple interest formula. Interest equals to principal into rate into time upon 100. Principal into rate into time upon 100. Now don't write anything, okay? We'll understand it like this. So as I gave you one example, like Jahan came to me for asking 1,000 rupees, okay? So what is the principal amount? Like how much is asking? He's asking for 1,000 rupees. So it means that the principal amount will become 1,000 rupees. Understood? Yes or no? Okay. Now I told Jawan that per annum I will charge a rate of 10%. So 10% per annum. Now what is annum? Annum is year. For 1 year I will charge you 10% like this. Annum is nothing else but it's a year. Yes or no? And then time. For how much time? I asked, he said for 2 years. So now we will calculate the interest, like how much extra he has to give. Like he will give 1,000, but he need to pay me extra because he lends some money from me. Okay, so interest I is equals to P, which is 1,000. So the formula is I is equals to P into R into T by 100. So P is 1,000 into 10 into time 2 upon 100. So it means that now when I calculated it is 200 rupees. Okay, it is how much? 200 rupees. Like interest is 200 rupees. So what does this mean? This means that Jehovah when give me the money, my 1,000 rupees back now. So he will give me 200 rupees more. Understood, guys? When he will give my money back, Jehovah, when will you give my money back? Whenever he will give my money back, so he will give me 200 rupees more. Okay, so how much amount? So A stands for amount. The I mean the amount. How much amount? So the amount is principal plus interest, which is like 1,000 rupees is the principal which I gave to Jahovan, and the interest for 2 years is 200 rupees. So it means that it means that he will give me 1,200 rupees back. How much he will give? He will give me 1,200 rupees back. Understood? So what does this mean? This means that Jawan took 1,000 rupees from me. He got an interest of 200 rupees, and then he will give me 1,200 rupees back. Understood? This is called as interest. Yes or no? Ezekiel, did you understand anything?
Understood.
Okay, write it down quickly. Anna, are you there?
Sir,
Yeah.
what is the R equals 10 percentage per? What is that word?
Per annum, ANNUM, which is year. Like for 1 year, it's gonna be 10%.
Oh,
Is Nikhil done with the writing?
Yes, sir. Like I was solving it also while you were doing it, so.
Okay. Tell me when you're done, then I will erase it. Okay. अरे यार. Okay, this is the question. Like we have to find a simple interest in each of the following cases. First case is the principal amount is 8,000, rate of interest is 5%, and for 2 year time. So we have to put it in the interest formula, then we have to edit in amount. Can you do it? Can you give it a try? Quickly do it. Simple, we have to use the formula to find the answer, nothing else.
Sir, it's two questions, right?
Yeah, two questions. So, like first case and the second case.
So,
Yeah.
okay, in the first one is 8,800 and in the second one is 15,500.
Okay. You have to write each step while solving this. Like even you have to mention like P is this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Did you wrote like this?
No, sir.
Yeah. So write it down. Understood everyone? You got the answer? Joshua? Jehoan?
No, I didn't understand first. Now I understood.
Which part? Okay, now you understood.
Yeah.
Okay. Anushka, Anna,
Yes, sir.
you understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we will do the new type of question. Okay. So now what this question says, find at what rate of interest, like we have to find R. Now don't do it, okay? I will do it, okay? Now the find the rate of simple interest per annum will uh, 5,000 amount to 6,050 in 3 years. Means the amount which is lended was 5,000. It becomes 6,050 years in 6,050 rupees in 3 years. So we have to find like what is the rate of interest. So first of all, we will mention that what is given to us. So what is given? Principal is given, which is 5,000. Hmm? And the amount is given. Like it become this. Like the 100 rupees amount, like 1,000 rupees amount, which sorry, principal which Jahoan take, it become 1,200 rupees amount. So 1,200 rupees amount means that it's a final amount. So amount is given, which is 6,015. Even time is given, which is 3 year. Okay. Now we have to calculate the rate, which we don't know. So first of all, we know that amount is equals to principal plus interest. Yes or no? So amount, how much amount is given? 6,050. Principal is 5,000 plus interest. So 6,050 minus 5,000 will become interest. So 1,050 rupees is the interest that he got. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Now we know the formula. What the formula? I is equals to P into R into T upon 100. Now I is given, which is 1,050. P is 5,000. Rate I don't know. Into time is 3 years upon 100. Guys, did you understand what I did? Joshua, did you understand? No.
Yes, sir.
Now this 100 and this 100 will cut. Okay. So now it will become 1,050 is equals to 15 to 3, which will become 150 into R. Okay. Yes or no? So now it is multiplication, it will become divide. So 1,050 upon 150 is equals to R. Now when you will cut it, it will become sevens, I guess. Yes, 7. So rate is 7% per annum. Understood, guys? No. Did you understand? Anna, are you there, Anna? Okay. Everyone understood? Today is Wednesday, tomorrow is Thursday, then Friday. Friday is your test, okay? For your kindly information. What? Postponed it. Why?
Like maybe it's Saturday.
Your voice is not coming.
Could you postpone the test to like Saturday? Because I don't have time.
You don't know?
I didn't have time to study.
You don't have time. Yeah, I will give on Friday. Okay. And you can submit me on Saturday.
Okay.
Rest not. Ezekiel, Saturday afternoon you have to give me.
What?
Saturday afternoon you have to give me test.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So actually, I had given the science test also on Saturday afternoon. Like, Mama wasn't there, so I sent
I
it to
know, I know.
her, and she couldn't. She forgot to send it.
Wow. It's okay.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
could you go back? I just need to take
Okay.
screenshot. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now the sum. Now listen. This question is also a little bit tricky. It's not tricky. Like one thing is given, one another thing you have to find it out with the help of other things. So the sum of amounts to 4,875 at 12.5 simple interest per annum at 4 years. We have to find the sum. Now, what does this sum means? What does this sum means? Basically, sum is nothing else but it's a principal. Sum is what? Principal, like principal amount. Okay. So the principal of the sum is rupees 4,875. We have to, this is not principal, this is amount. Principal we have to calculate. Okay. Because find the sum means we have to find the principal. Now the rate is given, which is 12.5 percentage. Okay. The time is also given, which is 4 years. But the amount is given. Okay, the amount is basically 4,875. Now we have to calculate interest. So amount is equals to principal plus interest. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hmm? Now amount is 4,875. Principal I don't know. Even the interest I also don't know. So I will send this plus p to the other side equals to, it will become minus. So 4,875 minus p is equals to I. Did you understand till here, guys? Please, if you don't understand, just raise your hand. Raise your hand if you don't understand. If you understand, then raise your hand. Ezekiel is in confusion. Understood or not? Even both, he's not raising hand.
Well, you told if I don't understand, I have to raise my hand, right?
No, no, I said if you understand, then raise your hand.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so now we have the formula I is equals to P into R into T upon 100. Now interest is 4,875 minus P is equals to P, which I don't know. R, what is R? R is 12.5 into T. What is time? Time is 4 upon 100. Understood, guys? No. Yes or no? Hmm? Now we have to solve it to find the value of P. Now after this, only maths is applicable. Understood, Jehovah? No? Quickly write it down. So 3250 is the total principal that he asked for the money. Understood? Understood? Everyone? Ezekiel, did you understand? No? Okay. Quickly write down. Quickly write down. Now I will give you one question that you guys will do, not me. Done? Yes or no done? Okay. Now you have to find the time and rest is given. Now you can do it, I guess. So first of all, mention the thing like principal is this, interest is this. Then you're able to find it out. Ezekiel, do it.
Two years.
Uh-huh. Very fast. Very fast. Can you show me how you did it? The steps?
Yeah, so
Steps?
like the total amount, yeah, the principal is 2000, right? No, the amount is two,
Yeah.
and then the rate of interest is 14 per annum.
Mm.
So I found how much 14% per annum will be 14 by 100 into 2000,
Mm.
and I did that 560 divided by that. I think the method is a bit different, but I find that easiest.
Yeah. But as I told you, the steps are important. So be care of that thing also. Like you have
Yes.
to mention the formula, everything. We can't do
Yeah.
anything. You can take out many solutions, many different ways. But
I wrote down that, but solving it that way, I find it a bit more confusing and I find it more easier. I can practice that way also.
hmm. Okay. Understood everyone? Or do you want me to do it? Joshua, do you want me to do it or you understood?
Yeah, I understood.
Sir.
Okay. Yeah, who? Anna, your voice is bit today is not, I mean,
It's my dad's laptop.
okay. So what you're saying?
Could you do this stuff, sir?
Okay. Okay. So the principal is given, which is 2000. Okay. Now, simple interest is given, rate is given, which is 14%. And now it is given that interest of 560 rupees. So it means that this is interest which is given 560. Okay. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. So then we have what we have to find? We have to find that time. So simple. I is equals to P into R into T by 100. Okay. Interest is given which is 560. P is given which is 2000. R we have to find. No, R is given 14 into time which we have to find upon 100. This and this will cut. So to become 560 is equals to 28 into T. Now it will go and divide. So 560, sorry, 280. 560 upon 280 is equals to T. This and this will cut, so it will become 2. So time will become 2 years. Like this you have to do, Ezekiel, okay? Write the steps and the formulas and mention everything. Then only you will get the 1 mark. Otherwise you will get half marks.
Okay, sir.
No, I'm just saying for the examination point of view, okay?
Yes.
Because they need steps. Okay.
Okay.
Even your answer is correct, your steps are not there, then they will deduct your marks. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you read this? A certain sum of money double itself in 10 years. In how many years will it become 2.5 times of the same rate of interest? So, like we don't know principal, we don't know, we know time, we don't know amount, we don't know anything. So, what will you do? Any idea?
You say the principal is X or something.
Yeah, we'll take the principal as X. Okay. So first of all, we will do, we will calculate the rate. Okay, listen. See, the principal which we don't know. So let the principal be X. Okay. So the amount will become after 10 years. Amount after 10 years. So what is the amount after 10 years? It will become 2x, because what is given that whatever the sum is there, which is x, it becomes doubles in 10 years. So in 10 years, the amount will become 2x. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Please pay attention. Okay. So in this case, what is time? Time is 10 years. Hmm. And now what is the interest? So interest is basically amount minus principal. So I is equals to, what is amount? Amount is 2x. What is principal? Principal is x. So I is become x. Understood, guys? Yes or no? No.
How did I become X, sir?
See, interest is equals to amount minus principal.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Amount is 2x because after 10 years become double.
Yes, understood.
Minus principal is x, so I should subtract it and become x.
But then
Okay.
is it alright to take then both the principal value and the interest value to be as x?
No, don't have to take it. We have to solve it to get like why we got x. So we got x because it become amount minus principal. Amount is 2x. Principal is x. We subtract it. We got the answer. Like this we have to do it. We
Okay.
can't take every time. If it is 3 times, like for example, after 10 years, the amount become 3 times. So the interest will become 2x then. Why? Because 3 times this will become 3x minus x will become 2x. So
Okay.
it's not the way like you have to take principal is x, then interest also become x. No. We have to see the question and you have to solve it to find the value of interest. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, what is the formula? Formula is I is equals to P into R into T upon 100. Now, what is I? I is x. What is P? P is also x. R, I don't know. T, what is T? T is the, where is the T? T is 10 upon 100. Okay. Hmm. So I got rate as 10% per annum. Understood? See, the x is multiplication with this r. It will go and divide, so x and x will cut. So I got the rate as 10% per annum. Now what is saying that now he wants the money as 2.5 times. So 2.5 times means 2.5 times means the rate is same because it is said that at the same rate of interest, the rate of interest which I got 10. Now principal is x, so the amount will become 2.5x. Guys, did you understand? No, because 2.5 times, no, so 2.5x. So the interest will become amount minus principal. Amount is 2.5x minus principal is x. So it will become 1.5x. The interest will become how much? 1.5x. So now same, we have to use formula I is equals to P into R into T by 100. Now what is P? P is x into, sorry, I is what? I is 1.5x is equals to P is x, R is 10 into time is also 10 upon 100. Okay, now, no, we have to find the time. Time is not 10. Like how many years is saying, no? So we have to find the time, which is t. Now this and this will cut, so this will become multiply. So 1.5 into 10 is equals to x into t. Okay, so it will become 15x is equals to x into t. Now this will divide. So 15 x upon x is equals to t. This and this will cut. So t is equals to 15 years. Now what does this mean? This means that in 15 years, the money will become 2.5 times. Yes or no? Did you understand, guys?
Sir, I didn't understand the one in the red, but
Which one?
the second part.
The second part is the rate of simple interest is same because it is given. Now the principal is x, then the amount become 2.5 times of that x. So 2.5 times means 2.5x. Okay. Now, if you will subtract, we want to find interest. So interest is equals to amount minus principal. Amount is 2.5x minus x. It will become 1.5x. Okay. Now, I just put the values into this and you have to solve it. You didn't understand the solution part or the concept part?
I'm kind of confused how you do the steps, but I understand how you have to put them into the formula.
This solution part, no, like how I how I
I
calculate.
understand that.
Sorry.
I understood that part, sir.
So which you didn't understand?
I didn't understand like what we have to find in this question.
We have to find, like, first that what the question is saying. We have to find the time in the last. But for getting time, first we don't know the rate, so we find rate. Okay, we have to find the time, but for getting that this time, we don't know the rate. So first we calculate the rate, like how much rate of interest is this. Then we goes to the time. Okay. Okay. So now quickly write it down. Okay, so we'll do one thing. Your homework is example 8.35 and check your progress 8.5. Okay, it's your homework. And tomorrow we'll do compound interest. Tomorrow don't be absent. Okay, tomorrow it's a it's a important class for you. Okay,
What is the
so
homework again, sir?
CYP 8.5.
Okay.
Okay, so okay, then we'll end this class. I mean, for the Anushka and Anna, and you guys have 5 minutes. Then come back.
Also, thank you.
Bye bye. Okay, guys, come back.
So could you explain the refraction of a light through the glass slab again, please?
Okay, okay. See, I will explain it again. First, let me make the diagram, then I will explain it to you.
I couldn't understand like the angle of incidence and reflection. If I was taking the angle of reflection coming out, like if the line was not in the right place.
Okay, now listen. Everyone listen. Turn on your camera. Joshua, Jehovan, Ezekiel, please. Okay. Now, what did you understand, Hannah?
So I wasn't sure which angle is supposed to be equal, like which is the reflected angle and which is the incidence angle.
See, the light which is fall on the glass surface will create incident angle with the normal. This is called as angle I. Okay. Now this angle is called as angle R, which is a refracted angle. Okay. And as we know that the outside air is rarer, the inside air is denser. So when a light travels from rarer to denser, the light will move towards the normal. So you can see that angle I is bit open, but angle R is very near to the normal because it will move towards the normal. Understood? No.
Yes.
Okay. Now when it falls on the like when it's going out, so it will falls on the surface. Then this is called as again angle R, which is equal to this angle. Like R1 and R2 is equal. Okay.
Okay, understood.
Then
Like the angle R is equal and the angle I's are equal.
yeah,
Okay,
angle
I
I
thought
and angle E is equal. Why? Because it is moving to the outer uh, like uh, like it move away from the normal because the light is traveling from denser to rarer.
okay. Understood.
Okay. Everyone yesterday did you understand this? Ezekiel, did you understand this thing?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you explain it once more? I exactly didn't understand it. Like I didn't understand it.
Okay, so you will assist me, okay? Now
Okay.
light is traveling from
Yes.
incident, okay? This is called as incident ray. It just strike the surface. Now as we learned that from the like when an incident ray fall on a surface, from that normal incident ray and refracted ray all lie at the same point. So this is the same point. Now this is the normal. Yes or no?
Yes.
Is now it creates an angle I. Okay. So what we learned that when a light moves from rarer medium to denser medium. Now what is rarer medium? You tell me.
It's like very loosely packed.
Yeah, it means the particles are very far away as compared to another
Yes.
medium, like denser medium that we are talking about. So now this is rarer medium because it's a air. It is a air, that's why it's a rarer medium, na? Okay. Now this is a denser medium. Why? Because it's a glass, and glass is a solid, and solid has very close particles. Yes or no? So now it means that the light is traveling from rarer to.
Well, sir.
Now what will happen?
What do you mean, sir?
What will happen? The light is traveling like this, then it will move towards the
Away.
normal.
Oh yeah,
When
yeah, yeah.
rarer to denser,
Okay,
when
okay.
rarer to denser it's coming now, so it will move towards the normal. So this is a normal.
Yes.
The brown one is a normal. Now instead of going straight, it just become like this. Okay, it moves towards the normal. Yes or no? Now
Yes.
then it will go straight, 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 and it will hit this stuff. It will hit this surface. So now this is normal.
Yes.
So it will move.
Away from the normal because
Yeah.
yes, I can
So
understand.
like this, the light travels. Like if you will see, the if glass is not there, then the light should travel in a straight line. If glass is not there, then light always travel in a straight line, na? But now because of the glass, there is a change in the direction of light. It's called as refraction of light. Refraction means only the bending of light. Yes or no? Ezekiel didn't understand anything.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Also saying you. You didn't understand anything.
No, sir, I understood, sir.
Okay. You're saying no, I didn't understand.
That one, I thought when I clicked the figure again, I understood it was a different figure, sir.
Ah, very bad. Okay. So, work energy. No, no, no. Okay, so we did this. So take out page number 341 quickly. Page number 339. 339. Joshua, you don't have book? Huh? I'm sending this book in the chat. Okay. Just give me a second. Now in the chat there is a PDF. Open this and just read from page number 339 to the page number 4341. Quickly read it. Guys, you all read it. No need to unmute your mic and read. Just read, and if you didn't understand, just tell me. Got it, Joshua?
Yes, sir.
Quickly read it. I will also read with you.
From page number 339 to
341. Done? I'm giving you 1 more minute to read. Okay. Now pay attention. Now the next topic is refractive index. Okay. Now what is refractive index? So we just saw this refractive glass like glass experiment, no, rectangular glass experiment. In this we saw that there is a bending of light. Yeah. And why the bending of light came? Because the change in medium. Because of the change in medium, there is a bending of light. So I told you. So whenever there is a change in medium, okay, there is always bending of light. Now I taught you before, but if you remember, then you can unmute your mic and say that why the bending of light occurs. Why the bending of light occurs? Anybody?
The
Why
change
the
in
bending?
speed of light.
Yes, because of the change in the speed of light. Like what we learned that the this is rarer medium, this is denser medium. The light which is coming in this, the particles are very far away from each other. So the light has some speed. Now, when it is moving to the denser medium, to which medium? To the denser medium in which the particles are very closely packed. Now, the speed of light will decrease in that medium. Understood? No. So because of the decrease in the speed of light, there is a change in the direction of the light also, which is the bending of light. Understood? So refractive index is only related to refractive index, which is denoted by N. Okay, refractive index, which is related by N, is speed of light in medium 1 upon speed of light in medium 2. Now, if the question is asked that find the speed of light of medium 2. Now, remember this thing and put, if you want to write in your notebook, then you can write it down. But first, listen to me. If they ask find the speed of light in medium 2 or find the refractive index of medium 2. Listen, guys. Find the refractive index in medium 2. If they ask you like this, then you have to put the speed of light of medium 2 in the denominator. Please pay attention, Hannah. What was I'm saying? If they ask you to find the refractive index of medium 2 or whatever medium they will ask, like medium 1 or medium 2, whatever the medium they will ask, you have to put, like if they ask medium 2, then you have to write the speed of light in medium 2 in the denominator, and the second one will come in the numerator. If they ask, find the refractive index in medium 1, then you have to put that medium 1 into denominator and that medium 2 in the numerator. We will do one question. Now, please pay attention. Please don't write anything. I will give you time now. Okay, the question is find the find the refractive index of glass if the speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second and speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now listen guys. Now we have to find the refractive index of a glass. If the speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second and the speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now please pay attention. Now what I told you about refractive index, what we have to find? Refractive index, Ri, which is refractive index of glass. Now which speed you will put in denominator?
2 into 10 to the power 8.
Yeah, speed of light in glass you will put in a denominator because they ask you about the glass. If they ask you about the diamond, then you have to put the speed of light in diamond in the denominator. Understood? No, you didn't understand anything. Understood? Okay. So it will become like this: the speed of light in air upon speed of light in glass. So what is the speed of light in air? It's 3 into 10 to the power 8 upon 2 into 10 to the power 8. Now 10 to the power 8, 10 to the power will cut. So 3 by 2 is 1.5. So what is the refractive index of a glass? It's 1.5. Okay. Or we can understand it like this, that the speed will decrease by 1.5 times. Okay. We can conclude this also. The speed which is the speed of light which is coming in the glass will decrease by 1.5 times. Or we can conclude one more thing. If the speed is going out from glass, then the speed will increase by 1.5 times. Did you understood the concept of refractive index? Yes or no? If you didn't understand, just ask me. Joshua understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, quickly write it down. Now write it down. Now I will give you time. Okay, done. Okay, 1 minute.
Done, sir.
Okay, write one question. Find the find the speed of light in a diamond. Find the speed of light in diamond if refractive index of diamond is if refractive index of diamond is 2.42, if refractive index of diamond is 2.42, and the speed of light in air slash vacuum, and the speed of light in air slash vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second.
So can you explain the speed of light? Can you tell it again?
The speed of light in diamond we have to calculate. The speed of light in air slash vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now you have to calculate it. Anybody got the answer? Nobody got the answer?
I didn't get it.
Okay. So what is given? The refractive index of diamond is given, which is how much? It's 2.42. Yes or no? Hmm? Now, another thing what is given, which is speed of light is given, which is how much? It's 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay. Now, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the speed of light in diamond. Okay. Now, if I will write the refractive index of diamond like this, so what is the formula for that? What is the formula for the refractive index of diamond? Quickly tell me. Quickly unmute your mic and tell me what is the
Will
formula for
it
the refractive
be
index of the.
Ri equals
No, first you have to write it down like this: speed of light in air or
yes
in diamond?
in air
In air upon speed of light in diamond. So did you get why I wrote like this? Because the refractive index of diamond arcs. So if diamond arcs, the speed of light in diamond will come in denominators. Just put this funda in your mind. Okay. Now, what is refractive index of diamond is 2.42 is equals to speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter, 3 into 10 to the power 8 upon speed of light in diamond. Okay. Now this will go this side. It will multiply 2.42 into speed of light in diamond is equals to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Understood? Now the speed of light
how did this
in
happen, sir?
diamond.
How did it
See,
become 3 into 10 to the power 8?
how it become 3 into 10 to the power 8. It
Yeah.
is given, no? Speed of light in air.
No, but you took speed of light in diamond to the other side, right?
Yeah.
And
So
so
it
if
is divide. It is divide.
you took okay.
It is in
Yes.
divide form, no? So it will
Yes.
go this will go multiply. Now this is multiplication. Now it will go so it will come divide. So it will come like this: 3 into 10 to the power 8 upon 2.42. This was in divide with this, multiply with this 2.42 into speed of light in this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. No,
Okay.
I got
So
confused. I
now,
thought you got the answer of that into that is 3 into 10 to the
no, no, no,
power
no.
8.
No, now we have to divide it. So how we will divide it? See, the speed of light in diamond, which will become 3 into 10 to the power 8. You don't have to you don't have to touch this. Okay. Now 2.42 is given. So it means that this point will deduct and two zeros will come. Why? Because after point two digits are there. Okay. So it will become 300 into 10 to the power 8 upon 242. Now you have to divide it and then you will get the answer. Understood, guys? No. Tell me the answer quickly. The final answer.
So we have to divide it.
Yeah, we have to divide it. 300 divided by
How many
242.
decimals answer?
It is still two decimals.
Okay. 1.23 to the power of 10. 1.23 into 10 to the power of 8.
1.23 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So the speed of light in diamond is 1.23 into 10 to the power 8. This is the answer.
So
Guys,
you
did you
can write
understand? Yeah.
SOL for speed of light everywhere, right?
No. Only I can write. You have to write speed of light. Okay. So this is what the refractive index stands. Okay. So now it's the time to say goodbye. Bye bye. I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tata. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Sayonara.
Thank
Signing.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.